have to be up or you won't go nowhere.
Yeah, you were pushing me the wrong way.
Bossy.
Doggy paddle up in the air like this.
You got to, exactly. Nicely done! You did it all by yourself.
I landed on my feet.
You did? Congratulations. All right, Lisa, you swim back to your step. Doggy paddle, doggy paddle. See how fast you can go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Hey, what are you doing, tag along?
I win.
Uh-uh.
I did because I got you first.
Because you pulled my bathing cheater, pumpkin eater. Ooh, you went all the way under that time. You okay? You all right? You did real good. You went all the way under. You okay? That was a first, huh? Gonna take a break for just a minute and think about that? No? I don't want you to throw up in the pool, so let's just wait a minute. Woo!